We're turning our shed in our backyard into our dream YouTube studio. Over the last few years, we've been using this as storage for materials for our bus build. As you can see, it's become quite the mess. Let's clean it up. Cole and I are just clearing out the area with all the wood and materials that we were using for the bus build, and we're just gonna clean up all the scraps that we don't need or probably won't ever gonna use. Is all of our family stuff, all of vacation stuff, and all of holiday stuff like Christmas stuff, Halloween, blah 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 blah, and some just like stuff from our childhood, like this DVD collection from our past when we first got together. Even some bootleg stuff. Yeah, we got some gems in here, ladies and gentlemen. Bill and Ted, can't beat that. Cole just found her original iPod Touch, if that dates how old we are. There you go.
Our engagement invitations? Look at how cute we were.
Bruh. E.T. sealed with the green tape. Sealed, dude. Ninja Turtles #1 VHS. Look what's inside. The Pizza Hut coupons. So far, we've cleared out this back area and we're gonna slowly move this way. There's my workbench. We have so many freaking cool ideas for this area. I cannot wait for you to see it. Let's go. As you can see, I'm quite a collector. I've been collecting toys and collectibles for as long as I can remember, and eventually I got into the reselling game of selling vintage toys and comics and stuff like that, and only keeping exactly what I wanted to keep, my personal collection. But I do have some really cool stuff that I just found that I completely forgot I had. Back to the Future hat that they used to sell at Universal Studios Orlando back in the day. Used to be a ride there, and they had some merch. As you can see, back in the day, 1989. Back to the Future sweater, the ride was so freaking cool. I missed that ride. Now it's replaced with The Simpsons, at least here in Florida. Ooh, this one's one of my personal favorites. So this was a either mail away or crew jacket from the film set of Back to the Future. If you can't tell, Back to the Future is hands down my favorite movie. This is very old. MCA home video, that was like the VHS, and when they released it to homes, it's all embroidered. I found this so freaking cheap. I think I literally got it for like $10. So we got the OSB brought into the shed right now. We're gonna start on the back wall. We're gonna move the workbench, move all this random stuff, and then we're gonna start with the first row across the bottom, then move our way up in that right alley. So just a quick little update of what we got going on so far. We got the middle piece up of the OSB. We got all the bottom done. Now Nicole is figuring out these weird little angles for this pitch. It's kind of a pain in the butt, to be dead honest with you. So I believe in her though. She's awesome.
And that's gonna wrap it up for part 1 in our mini-series, turning our shed into a YouTube studio. If you've ever converted anything into a YouTube studio, let us know what you did down below in the comments. We cannot wait to hear what you've done. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you on part 2.